and welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this get ready with me, and as y'all can tell, today is my birthday, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hello guys and welcome back. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. Today's my birthday, so I was like, you know what, let me just film myself getting ready. Okay guys, and for the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Natasha Denona Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. And it's just freaking gorgeous. So I'm going to start off with the shade Soul in my Morphe M441. And I'm going to be using this as a transition shade. Y'all, and this is like literally my favorite palette, but I always get scared to use it because it's so expensive. So I was like, you know what, it's my birthday, let me go ahead and bring it out. And I honestly have no clue what look I'm doing, but I'm gonna be wearing, I have like a black sweater on right now, and I'm gonna be wearing like a orangey mustardy coat. So now that that is done, I'm gonna be taking this orangey shade called Horizon on this smaller blending brush. Look how cute the brush is. And I'm just gonna be applying this in the crease. And honestly, I have no clue what kind of brush this is. My boyfriend gave it to me for Christmas and it was like in a really cute brush set, but it doesn't have a name or anything on it. But I'll try to find what brush it is, and I'll try to leave it down below. So I'm going to be taking the same brush but the shade Pangene, and I'm going to go a little bit lower in the crease with this. And you guys, I'm so excited. So I turned 19 today, which I feel like 19 is kind of like an awkward number because it's just like 18, you're like legal, like, you know, you're finally 18, but 19 is just like an in-between. And I'm gonna make sure to pack this on the outer lid as well. Okay guys, and I'm going to be taking a mixture of Senjai and Terra, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer lid. Okay guys, and now that that is done, I'm just going to be taking some of my Tarte Shape Tape and this small concealer brush, and I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this light gold shade on top of the shade that I just placed. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies and do the other off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that the eyes are done, let's go ahead and move on to the face. So all I did was apply some falsies, and I did do some winged eyeliner, which I love how it came out. So I'm going to start off by spraying some rose water on my face, and this is what I'm going to use as a primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that into the skin before applying some foundation. And I am going to be using my Kat Von D foundation in the shade 44 Light. And you guys, I'm actually so excited. So after I finish doing my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of birthday shopping. Maybe I think I'm gonna pick up some new foundations, hit up IKEA. I love going to IKEA. And then after that, my mom's gonna make me some tamales, so I'm very excited for that. And this is like, I think this is either the first or the second birthday that I actually spend here home, because usually during December we always go to Mexico, but this year we didn't go. So I'm so excited to be here because, you know, in Mexico you don't really get gifts. So now that my foundation is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade, oh my god, the hiccups. Excuse my hiccups. In the shade Light 1. But I'm actually so excited for today. I usually don't look forward to birthdays, you know, like I just go out to eat with my family and then I just stay in bed all day. I don't really do much for my birthdays, but this year is different. I'm gonna get to go out. I get to eat tamales. And I'm sorry if I'm like missing a nail. I went to go play with my dog earlier and he freaking took my nail off. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my Morphe sponge. I always feel so weird doing, I think this is like my second get ready with me, but I feel like I want to make it into a makeup tutorial so bad because I don't know what to say. Y'all should leave questions in the comments down below. Tell me things that y'all want to ask me, and so next time I do a get ready, I can answer some questions for y'all. And also, don't forget to share my videos, subscribe to my channel. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So make sure y'all send my videos around, send it to your friends, to your mom. I have some Spanish makeup tutorials too. So if your grandma, your prima, your abuela, if they don't speak English and they speak Spanish, I have some makeup tutorials for them too. So now that that is done, I'm going to be setting my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my BH Cosmetics 5 brush. I don't know, I'm just so excited for what this year is going to bring. I feel like if you have a positive mindset, a lot of positive things will come your way. I know a lot of people have been talking about like their New Year's resolution, and I honestly, I didn't say that I wanted to do anything specifically, but like once I think about it, I do want to get in shape. I know it's like every year everyone's always like, oh, 2017, 2018, I'm gonna get in shape, get this, get that. And like half of the people never really end up doing it, and I'm part of those people because that was like my New Year's resolution last year and I gained weight. But I actually plan on going, well, not even going to a gym, but running more, because I used to run a lot. I used to be really active and then I stopped, so I'm gonna get in shape. And if by the end of the year I am not in shape or my face is still this round, y'all can tell me a bunch of stuff for it. I'm just setting the rest of my face with my e.l.f. complexion brush. And I also want to eat healthy because I don't want to just eat healthy just to like lose weight and get in shape, but once I eat healthy, I start feeling better about myself. Like, I'm tired of eating junk food, and I don't know about y'all, but every time I eat like out and I eat bad, I just feel like all lazy and tired, and I just don't want to do nothing. So I really don't want to be feeling like that anymore. And sometimes I get in the way of like me practicing my makeup or me filming. And for bronzer, I'm going to be taking my Nars Laguna bronzer and my Wet n Wild blush brush. And for blush, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Feisty blush and my Wet n Wild. I think this is an all-over powder brush. I'm going to be taking Marshmallow and Gumdrop on my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. And this is the ABH Sugar Glow Kit. So yeah, I don't know if y'all know this. I don't think I've ever mentioned it, but I am a certified makeup artist. So when was it? In July of 2016, I got certified internationally. But I don't really say that a lot. Like, I don't make it obvious or I don't put it anywhere. So I think that with this upcoming year, I'm gonna start doing more makeup on other people. I kind of wanted to do a series of me like doing makeup on different skin tones, different people. So I'm pretty sure I'll get tired of just seeing like me and myself. So hopefully I can start doing that. And then I can show a little bit of my makeup skills on other people as well. I'm going to take the same shades and just an e.l.f. smudger brush to highlight my inner corner and under the brows. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking my Milani lipstick in the shade 60. So I also want to start doing like more challenges and vlogs and stuff like that, and I want to include Rafita more in my channel. So I don't know if y'all watched it, but make sure y'all go watch me and Rafita do the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. It was like hilarious, like we literally almost died. And make sure to leave a comment down below if y'all want to see more videos with him in them or what y'all want to see. I'm going to be adding this lip plumping gloss. This lip plumping gloss by e.l.f. in the shade Pink Cosmo. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's all I ask for my birthday. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all leave any comments telling me what y'all want to see and just y'all's feedback. I love reading y'all's comments. I love hearing what y'all have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching.